Hello everyone, my name is Mariah Leonard and today I'm going to show you how to get this lovely little wash of color for the digital workplace. Not only do I feel this look is great for the workplace, I feel like it's really good to just kind of get your creative juices flowing and keep you inspired. I feel like there's no better time than when you have those few hours or minutes off than to try a really fun makeup look to get your creativity back up, you know? Anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoy this little tutorial and learn something today, so let's get started. Okay, so to start, we're just going to take any cream, camel toned or mustard toned eyeshadow and apply and blend it all over the lid. I always use a fluffy brush like this. I feel like it's just easier with cream shadows because if they start to dry down too fast, it keeps you from getting that like line of unblended action in the crease. Once that's blended, you want to go in with any matte orange shadow and use patting motions and then blending motions once you get the pigment laid down, just because oranges can sometimes be really dry. This one in particular was. And then for the pop of color, just taking any metallic pink. I'm kind of massaging, pressing it into the lid rather than pulling and dragging. I save that for right here, right along the lash line. That way when my eye moves, it gets that extra pop of really intense metallic. And then once you get that down, you just want to blend out the edges of it and then feather it back into the orange. I'm not going back in with the orange, I'm just blending the pink into it. I didn't want it to really be like super loud on the lid. I just wanted it to look like the orange was fading into the pink. And this step is more optional in my opinion, especially if you want it to be more wearable. Normally I would just keep this to the upper eyelid, but I felt like today I wanted to go a little smoky, so I blended that same orange shade along the lower lash line. And then for mascara, I just put one really intense coat on my top and bottom lashes. I felt like it added a nice contrast to the bright colors in the look. And with bright colors on the eyes, I think that clean and really moisturized skin looks really nice with them. It just adds a really nice editorial look. But today I felt like doing more coverage because I did not get enough sleep the night before, so I went all in with the glam, did a full coverage base, and then applied my bronzer as I usually would, and then applied a heavy layer of blush. I just feel like the intense blush across the cheeks and nose really brought out the pink tones in the eyes. And then to highlight, I just used a really soft gold highlighter, kind of something similar to my skin tone. I didn't want it to contrast with the blush or the eyes at all or kind of stand out too much. I just wanted my skin to look a little bit more radiant and dewy, so I just applied that all over the high points of my face. And lastly, for the lips, I wanted them to stand out but still be complementary, so I originally went in with a nude pink lip liner, just lined my lips and then filled them in slightly just so that there was a little bit of base color for the lipstick I used, which was also a little bit more of an intense orangey coral shade, very balmy, very hydrating, and I just dotted that all over the lips to finish everything off. Alright everyone, and that is the look. Again, I really hope that you liked and enjoyed this. Feel free to head over to my Instagram to see a lot more makeup-based content. I'm always uploading new looks and would love to have you guys. I hope that you all have a great rest of the day, and hopefully we'll chat soon.